All right, guys, cup of hot coffee in my hands, and let's start today's analysis. Today is 17th of November, and we'll analyze the most active stocks on Nifty 50 volume wise. The first one is Tata Steel. Tata Steel, and as we talked about last time, we'll start analysis on a monthly chart. Well, it didn't have any much of life earlier, but recently, as recent as May 2020, and it started showing signs of life. Not just started showing signs of life, it roared like a dinosaur, from what I can see. Well, for the last few months, it's been showing some uh, a little downward pattern, right? It's been in news. Tata Steel has been in news because of cyclicity of the steel industry, or stuff like that. Really, as much as I try to understand economics and everything, I still feel the markets, they actually don't they actually factor in too many things for a common man to understand. Well, here's a line, but here's a trend line, the resistance line to say. But I feel there's a reverse Dow forming. Reverse Dow. It will. Let me show you how it's reverse Dow. Starts from the very bottom. Here it comes till here. This one. This one. It's already crossed this boundary. Should end somewhere here. Here, yeah. Yeah, highly unlikely, highly unlikely. At max, this point, I think this trend should end here, the downward trend. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. This should be good enough, right? In any case, I'll delete this because it's a far-fetched thing, wishful thinking, you can say, and it will, cloud my analysis. So I'm deleting it for now. Let's go into a weekly chart. The weekly chart, here's a resistance line. Here's a very good resistance line. It's a demand zone, but that doesn't look like posing like it's posing any challenge anywhere else. But let's draw it for the sake of, being meticulous. Alright, this is a demand zone here. Okay, everything bounces up, bounces up, bounces up because people start buying stuff whenever the price level is touched. So that is why a demand zone. But here it had some signs of life here also. All right, so now let's go to a daily chart. On a daily chart, well, this will hold. This wedge will hold for some time, though the pattern has gone outside. The pattern's already spoiled. But if I were to draw a very small trend here, very small trend, well, looks like things might just bounce off here. Yeah, this one, if it shows a reverse direction from here, oh sorry, what did I move? Okay, let me just replace this from where I picked it up. Alright, fine. Now I'm talking about this. Now see, this will show some signs of life for sure. If it goes up, well, okay, it's not working. Let me draw the segment here. Okay, there's a high chance that this will. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, got it. Okay, so this was the line of resistance. This should bounce from here and go up. Maybe this way, but highly likely this will go up. Alright, I'll leave it here, or I'll just draw an arrow so that we have next time we visit this, we know that we had claimed something. very fat arrow. All right, leaving it at that, let's just have a look at the hourly chart, and if we find something, hourly chart, yeah, same thing, same analysis. This is going up. This is for sure going up. It's already retested here. This level was the retest here. Now it's going back. Even the second retest was very excellent. Now if this goes up, if this trajectory follows, it will end up here at this level, 113. 113 level, folks, make a note of it. I might, let me leave just this one. Okay, 113 is the target. If I take, yeah, good, let's see. If I take it to a daily chart back, yeah, definitely achievable, 113, this one here. All right, now the next active stock was Tata Motors. Tata Motors, let's start with the monthly chart before I pass off any verdict on this. Tatas have been in news recently. They have been doing well. All the companies have been performing well. There, Mr. Chandrasekharan has done really well as a CEO for Tata. Okay, see, this thing is emerging very, it's a very common thing happening right now. So many downtrend, so many stocks trending downwards. All right, that's been the way of the economy for a few days. All right, it didn't even touch its high. Now let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, we were almost right. Here's a supply zone. Here's a supply zone. If you want to see a wedge formed, I'll leave it. I'll draw one. Okay, did I do anything wrong? Yeah, this makes more sense. Go up, go down, go up, go down. But I believe after this, it will go up. Once it breaks out of this wedge, it will go up. We'll wait and watch. Nothing on the 1-day chart, almost similar. It would happen if we had followed this trend here, but it's okay. We did not. An hourly chart. Oh, the world is so messed up. It's been opening with gap ups, gap downs. The volatility of it, by God. Alright, leave it. Let's go to the next one. ONGC. On a monthly chart, ONGC is, it came down, now it's going up. Oops. I have to give some time for the charts to settle. I just rushed through this. Not a good thing on my part. Not really a pattern. It doesn't touch anything anywhere. I'll leave it for now, just for understanding. Not too much of a trend line. Go to the weekly chart. What does the weekly chart have to show? Oh, there's a perfect Dow forming here. Here we go. Let me show you the Dow. Starts from here, goes till here, here it touches the bottom. It will go till here. Alright, my friends, it's a good chance. See, there was another Dow that had formed a few years ago, a few weeks ago. Start from here, went till here, stamped, and should have stopped here, but went till the upper part, which is pretty possible if you consider that. Yeah. Now, clear. See, this is how a Dow is formed. So here's another Dow forming. Should we expect it going up, or we'll leave it? We'll see. Let's see if it goes there. On a daily chart, I'm keeping this Dow, okay? It is ready for, that's just trending up. Had a few good sessions. Quite a few good sessions. Alright. On a 15-minute chart, It is rising and consolidating, rising and consolidating. So let it consolidate. We have nothing much to say. We're going to NTPC, the next stop, active by volume. NTPC on a monthly chart. Oh, in an uptrend. Geopolitics, Russian war. It has nothing to do with NTPC, but it has to do a lot with the consumption of coal. I think we should draw a channel here rather than just this line. It's running into months, so a channel would make more sense to me. Let me find a channel. Yeah. Yeah, see. So it's been trading in this channel since a few months, quite a few months, has crossed everything. This little resistance is where it will be, held up. If you draw a line here, because it's a monthly chart, so it's going to be a very long line. Alright, let's see if it helps anyone. Now let's go to the weekly charts. Perfect channel drawn by us. Yep, nothing on a weekly chart. Daily, even better. Our chart is doing wonderfully well, even better. Alright, on a hourly chart, it's a huge chart, huge. I don't know if it. I was just trying to analyze the micro trend, right? But if this goes down, you can definitely trade, but I won't recommend so. In any case, we're done. 15-minute chart for last time. Alright, lots to do, but I won't mess with this. Doesn't look make sense to me. Alright, we're done with NTPC. Let's go to ICICI, the fifth most active stock today. I'll start with the monthly chart, though I could definitely see a pattern straight away on the 15-minute chart. Let me have a sip of coffee too, till the time this loads up. Alright, enough for us to evaluate. Oh, it's going up and up and up and up. Nice. Gives me a lot of confidence. ICICI Bank, the banking app sector, on a whole, it's doing very well. So not much of a pattern except that it is going up. We'll go to the weekly chart. Again, weekly chart shows some kind of a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of supply zone being formed. We'll keep it for our reference. Right, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, again, consolidation move is going on. Let's wait for it to break up. Once this does, I think we'll have a lot of incentive to invest in this one. Further confirmed, that theory is further confirmed. 15-minute chart, I don't think so. I'll be able to see anything much different here. Right. Alright, awesome. Alright guys, this gives us an analysis of the top 5 volume movers on Nifty 50 today.